Good day. I am going to explain the concept of ethics in technology education. Ethics refers to the principles that help us decide what is right, responsible, and acceptable. Ethics is important in education and technology because the products that we design and make can affect the people's environment. For example, when designing a product, we need to make sure that it is safe for people to use. We should always and also think about the materials that we use, whether they can harm the environment or not. In the classroom, ethics means that you respect another person's work, people's ideas, and not copy someone, especially without acknowledging them. Therefore, education in technology, learners need to understand that technology in designing and making is not only about finding the solution, but they must consider whether the solution is safe and respects other people's work. It must also be considered to be responsible and friendly for the environment. The CAPS curriculum emphasizes the relationship between technology and education. Thank you so much.